Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Feeds YouTube channel where you will learn Swift iOS tutorial step by step. And today I am going to show you what's new screen. Once user update the application, it will show whatever updates. So basically in this application we will create what's new screen like this, and here you can add your icon with title with subtitle, and once you clicked on continue button then it's gone forever. So let's build the project. Single view application, and the product name is what's new app, and next the folder desktop is the project created on desktop. So now project is created right now, and for this what's new application we need to install Cocoa Pod for this. So let's open terminal, and you can see the terminal is open right now. So let's go to the project folder, desktop, what's new app. You can see there is no pod file here. Let's create pod init. Now pod file is creating right now. Now you can see pod file is created. Let's open this pod file. Open pod file. Now here the pod file is open. So now write the pod what's new kit, and you can save it and close this, and pod install. So it's analyzing all the dependencies, download dependencies, and installing what's new kit 1.3.3. Now once you can see here the all pod file downloaded right now. So let's close this, and you can also close this. You can now also close this and open new workspace. What's new ls, you need to open this one. So open whatsapp.exe workspace and enter. Here you can see project is created right now. So first of all we need to make a screen, like suppose like first screen your application. Take some simple image, set the constraint over 0 0 0 0, and now you can just drag the image like this. Dashboard. Now image name is dashboard. Suppose this is your mobile screen. Once user will update the application, and you need to show what's update in this current app. So let's run this project. So here you can see this is your mobile screen. So you need to pop up what's new updates. So let's create. First of all we need to import WhatsApp kit. Now we need to override a method view did appear Why we take view did appear? Because this function load after view did load. So once view did load is completely loaded, after we need to pop up our new screen. So super dot view did appear animated true, and now here we will write code for this. Let create a variable name is what's new equals to what's new, and the title is what's new in application, and the items. So let's create items. What's new what's new dot items. Here title, subtitle, and image. So the title is, suppose the title is like that, we need to take set alarm. Subtitle is you can set alarm in this, you can set alarm in this version. And the UI image I am supposed to gonna system image, and the string is alarm. So we need to take multiple things here. So let's create this multiple times and separate with commas. Yeah, it's done right now. So we need to set different name for this particular. So here we need to set volume, set volume, and the subtitle is you can set alarm volume, and the system image is volume. Now suppose new things is add bookmark, add bookmark in description, and the bookmark, now you need to play music, you can play music in this version. So play and pause the music, pause music, you can pause the music, and name is system image name is pause. So I have just taken the dummy data over here, and let's present this screen. So let's create, let VC means view controller, what's new view controller, and what's new, there are lots of methods over there. So let's take this one, and the what's new, let's put this variable over here and present VC animation true, completion nil. So here we need to build this project. and run this project. So here you can see the beautiful screen. After loading this screen, you can just drag and down. Let's run again. Here you can see the system images. So I would recommend you can use your system images, because the images, all images are in similar way. So you can add the title over here and your subtitle you can add according to your updated point. So let's continue. So this screen shows only once after update the application, right? So for this right now it's shows every time. So let's stop this. So you need to add version store key value new version, argument type this. Okay, because so we need to take this and got this, else return. So it's always true. Okay, let's build this and run. So application is open right now. Once you click on continue button and again you have run, then it will not showing right now here, not showing. And if you want to change the color of this, so let's show you. So I want to show you how to change the color of this. So let this and let vc equals to what's new controller, what's new and theme dot multiple types of themes over there. If you want to take purple, then run it again, and here you can see purple color themes over there. And let's take default red and run it. And here you can see the simple basic red color. It looks awesome. So you can put your points what you have updated in your current app. So this is how easily we can make what's new screen. If you have any query, then please comment below. And guys, if you want me to upload the videos on a specific topic, then please share your topic in comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like the video, please like and share this video. We will meet soon with new interesting topics in Swift iOS. To stay updated with new videos, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.